learning objective for this video is to measure the velocity of objects, and we're going to do this as a virtual running race. And we're going to measure the velocity of 4 different runners as they complete a 100-meter race. All right, once you've got Excel open, we're going to jump over to that B4, and what we're going to do is create a table that looks very similar to our previous table that we created. So we're going to have displacement measured in meters. What is going on here? Displacement measured in meters. We're going to have lap time in seconds. We're going to have a cumulative time in seconds, which will need a formula, and velocity in meters per second. I don't like writing it like that, but it'll do for Excel. That one's also going to need a formula. So displacement, we're going to start at 0 and we're going to go up in 10-meter increments. Quick way to do that is highlight those 2 cells, drag our little cell down box, and you can see it's auto-filling for us down to 100. You can just do it manually if you wish. Lap times are what we're going to measure, starting at 0. Time will start at 0, velocity will start at 0. Okay, so formulas we're going to need. Cumulative time, same one we did last time, so it's going to equal the lap time plus the previous time. Excellent. Now we're going to drag that down. This is the time that we're going to graph. However, we need our lap time to figure out our velocities. So velocity equals displacement. In each case, we're doing velocity per time interval. So for each time interval that we've measured, it's going up 10 meters. So for every one, it's going to be 10 meters. So displacement is 10 divided by, we use a forward slash. It's going to be divided by the time interval, which is the lap. Enter that one, and we can drag down. You'll notice it's giving us a little error message here, and that's fine because obviously we can't divide by 0 because we haven't got a lap time in, hasn't got an accumulated, we haven't got a lap time. It's just saying you can't divide by nothing, so it's saying there's a problem. But when we put in those lap times, that'll figure itself out. I'm just going to merge those top 4. Not important, but that's where I'm going to be putting the name of the runner for each person. I'm now going to put a border around it and go to view, get rid of those grid lines so that I can see what I'm doing with a bit more clarity. Very nice. Now copy paste that 4 times because we've got 4 runners, and it will be good to go. So here's our running track, and as you can see, we've got 4 runners: Axel, Trey, Kyle, and Keith, and they're all going to run the race separately, and we're going to measure as laps for their each 10-meter interval. So when Axel's going to go first, followed by Trey. So when Axel passes the 0 mark, you can start. When he gets to 10, you lap. 20, you get the idea. Once Axel's completed his 100-meter race, pause it, put that data into your table, and then you can restart the video and do the same for Trey, Kyle, and Keith. All right. So here goes Axel. Go, son. All right, he's going strong. Up to the 40-meter mark. Oh, he's picked up pace, I believe. And he is done. Good job, Axel. All right, take a pause, gents, and record that data. Okay, here goes Trey now. Trey's been smack-talking Axel. He reckons he's all over this. Oh, he's had a very slow start. Looks like he might be picking up a bit of speed here. Oof, he really finished off strong there. Good work, Trey. All right, next up to the mark is Kyle. Let's see what Kyle's got to offer us. Oh, he's really picking up speed. Oh no, he's hit a wall. He's really slowed down there at the end. Oh my god. He was hopeless. Alright, next up is Big Keith. Now look, Keith's not the fittest bloke in the group, but you know, he's always willing to give it his best shot, so let's take it away, Keith. Oh, good on you, mate. Good effort. Yes. Push yourself, buddy. You can do this. Nice. Oh, look at that momentum taking him through. Oh, okay. Well, yes, he's made it to the end. Good work, Keith. We're all very proud of you. Now, once you have recorded all those times, what I need you to plot on the same velocity time graph is the cumulative time on the x-axis and velocity on the y-axis. Screenshot that, and that will be your submission for this week. If you have any questions, as always, ask your teachers.